Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to change font style in WhatsApp. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on WhatsApp app. Okay, then your font size normal, then back, tap on settings and click on search bar, then search on text size. Okay, then click on text size and this volume, swipe right, then your all font size long and swipe left, then short your text size and all font. Check WhatsApp and short your all text size. That's all. This customize this option and change font style. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.